Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video, so let's move this out the way. And before I say anything, I'm actually recording on my new phone, which is this right here, the iPhone 15 Pro. This is let me just cover up my serial number. As you see right there, 15 Pro. I was going to get the Pro Max, but to be honest, I don't need a big ass phone. Probably if I'm gaming. The thing is, I can't even use my my backbone no more. I'm gonna have to re-buy another one, so I'm kind of like upset with that one. I might buy another backbone because it comes with Death Stranding, I believe. So I believe the game comes free with the phone, so I might pick that up. But I do got my Razer quiche, which I'm gonna probably rock with that. But this is not the point of the video. It's not talking about the iPhone 15 Pro. It's talking about this thing right here. So I picked this up. This is the mouse right here I normally use right here. The reason why I'm not going to be using this, well, I'm still going to be using this, but the reason why I'm not going to use this as much is because I want to use this mouse for Ready or Not and for Helldivers. So that's the reason why I got this. And plus, I got tired of keep plugging in the freaking plug in there to keep charging up, and I keep forgetting to charge it, and the battery dies, and I gotta leave it. I do love the skates on this thing right here. So let's just open this one up real quick. So where's the bat knife? Bat knife, where are you, bat knife? Here it is. So there we go. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So you already know the deal. Now I'm going to tell you the reason why I got this mouse. Like I said, it's for Helldivers and Ready or Not. But it's a reason why I got this one over the Corsair one. I'm sorry, not the Corsair one. The Glorious. And I'm going to show you why. If I can get this thing open without ripping up the box. Okay. So let's get this out. So you get... Let's just get the keyboard out the way. So you get the docking station. The reason why I really want this, because you get the dock right here, then you get the USB dongle right here, so you can just pop this in just like this, and I keep it in like that at all times. Throw my cord on here, which is the cord that I have right here that I always charge it with. Throw it in the back, and I have my docking station right there. Then you get the actual mouse, which is all upside down and stuff. Then you get the cord right here, which is this cord right here. It's the same cord right there. As you can see, it's the exact same one. This is actually for this one right here, so I don't need to rock with this one because I already have one already set up. Let's get these two things out the way. Move this out the way. This box out the way. Let's close up the knife. So this, it's actually the same size. Oh. So I got this because basically it is, you can see this is a button right here. Got 4 buttons right here. Then you got 2 right here. Then you got another one here. Then you got your roll right here, then you got your clicks right here. So that's why I actually got it, because it's just like the other one. Set up my RGB colors. Got some dust and stuff on here. So yeah, I actually like it. I gotta peel off the skates on here, the tags on here, but yeah, I like this. So yeah, I might be able to play Helldivers a little bit better. I still gotta get some foot paddles, so when I want to call my team and stuff in, instead of setting up one of these buttons or pressing a button on the keyboard or whatever like that. So yeah, that's why I got this. And when I'm ready to play or dock, one thing I gotta do is just like that and put it on the dock when I'm done gaming. And I have a bad habit, because when I get done, I just leave it like that, and I leave it on all night, and I keep forgetting to plug it in with the dock. All I gotta do is when I get done with this, like that, keep it like that. And because this is a dock right here, when I'm not using it, I'm just watching YouTube videos, pop it like that until it's done, then just take it back off, use it, pop it right back on. That's how fast it is to dock it, just like that. Alright guys, this is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker. Only use me time box. Remember, live it, love it, game it. Peace and deuces, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.